Welcome everyone to another video blog, and for this video I wanted to discuss something that we're facing right now, which is being quarantined and how is this changing our business. All right, I know that a lot of you guys are doing Zoom calls, you're having online conferences, you're having webinars and all this stuff, but here are some recommendations as your image consultant that I want you to understand. First of all, your image, the image that you're representing as a businessman, as a businesswoman, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, or the image that you represent for the company, it's still there. You must understand this, all right? Simply because you are at your home, more comfortable or whatever, that does not mean that you need to slack off when it comes to your style, when it comes to how you present yourself. And especially because people are still watching you. You still represent your company, you still represent your brand. So this is the first tip that I wanted to give you. Keep presenting yourself and keep using the same outfits that you would normally use when you are in front of a client, when you are going to the job or whatever it is that you're doing, all right? Because you are still working. Now, another thing that I wanted to say, as you're doing your webinars, as you're doing your Zoom calls, have one of these circular ring lights. If you have one of those, it is the best thing that you can get, all right, because people can see you clearly. And when it comes to video, light is one of the key things. So the first thing is getting these ring lights. If you can't, go near a window, you know, where natural light can hit you. You can also get one of these lights, right? There are the LED lights. They're kind of like probably $5 or something like that on Amazon. They're super cheap. You just plug them in. They have a USB. You just plug them into your computer, and it's way better than having nothing, right? And there you go, in front of your or right next to your webcam. Second thing, pay attention to your surroundings, to the background. I know that with Zoom you can choose the background. That I will leave that as a last resort. If the background of your house, of your place is really shitty and there's a lot of people, maybe you can use that online background that Zoom gives you, or other things. I think other brands give you the same thing. But pay attention to how is it going to play. Is it going to be congruent with the company that I represent, or with the brand that I represent, with the business that I own, with the things that I do? Because remember that you're going to be communicating silently. So pay attention to that, to the colors. The best thing that you can do is go white like I do. You know, I find a place in my studio where I have everything is white background, then the attention goes only on me and my outfit and whatnot. But pay attention to that, all right? Pay attention to the things that are on the background. And this is a great opportunity also for you to tidy up all your place. Change some of the furniture, maybe move it around so the energy flows, and also so it looks more beautiful. The third thing that I want to say also, getting a quality webcam. If you don't have a webcam, still pay attention to the next recommendation that I'm about to give you. If you cannot have the same level of your eyes on a normal desk, then my suggestion is that you get books, something like this, right? Maybe it doesn't look very good, but still, it should be higher or at the level of the eye. That's a great professional image that you can present when it comes to Zoom calls, when it comes to webinars and all of this stuff, right? When you're having your video calls, you don't want to have it lower than your eyes because it looks very bad. You know, like older people that are watching their phones and they're like having it over here, it looks horrible. Another thing is the sound quality. Now, certain webcams like this, they already have a good microphone, or a little bit, kind of like a good microphone. You can also get a microphone on Amazon, such as this, or you can get an even cheaper one, which is the lavalier, like the one I'm using. If you don't have any money to get one of those, then the best resort is to use these headphones that everyone has, and they already include a microphone over here, and the sound quality is going to be way better than just using your laptop or your phone. Okay, so pay attention to that. Don't think that simply because people are not watching you, you get to wear whatever the fuck you want to wear, or because you're at your home, you can wear, I don't know, fucking wife beater and have your Zoom calls. I mean, you are disrespecting yourself, because I mean, come on, you got to take care of yourself, regardless of who's watching you. Otherwise, you're just a superficial human being. And no, remember that your style is more important when no one else is around, because that is when you get to truly be congruent with yourself. Ask yourself, am I being congruent, or am I just doing it because I'm faking it? And then the other thing also is you are paying proper respect to the people, your audience, the people that you're talking to. Hey, I took the time and the effort, I made the effort to iron my shirt, to maybe do some makeup. Maybe some girls, I know that you're not wearing your makeup right now because I'm not going outside. Who gives a fuck? And especially if you're in business, which you should be using all of these beautiful tools, all the social media and all of the internet, you should be using it to put your brand out there and to still make some money, to still be very productive. Okay, so this is a little bit something about what I wanted to cover for you guys. Thank you for listening. Be the best version of yourself, and remember, take care of your image even if it's online. All right, see you on the next one.